Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Macrotech Developers. Our analyst has a positive view on Macrotech Developers and expect a 20% upside given strong growth levers for its residential portfolio led by the realty upcycle. Property registration in Mumbai rose 13% year-on-year in June 2024 and 15% year-on-year in Q1 of FY25. The Mumbai metropolitan region saw a 1.7% year-on-year rise in launches and a 9.1% year-on-year in sales during Q1 of FY25. Macrotech reported a 20% year-on-year jump in pre-sales in Q1 of FY25 and a 12% year-on-year rise in collection. Notably, it achieved Rs 11,100 crore project addition, which is 53% of full year guidance, with net to equity well below its ceiling of 0.5 times. The management targets pre-sales growth of 20% year-on-year for FY25 at Rs 17,500 crore. OCF generation of Rs 6,500 crore, new business development worth Rs 21,000 crore, and capping net debt to equity below 0.5 times.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.